So, most academics are looking for tips on how to keep writing, not tips about how to take breaks. But here's a secret: taking breaks wisely can actually help with your writing productivity. So, as a current writer and a former tenured faculty at a university, I can attest to this. So, stick around and I'll share 3 tips on how writing breaks can help you with your productivity. So, number one, writing breaks can help prevent burnout. So, taking mini breaks between writing sessions or slightly longer breaks, like day-long breaks from writing to prevent overworking and hurting yourself is really important. And I'm serious because sitting for too long in front of a computer screen or typing without breaks can actually cause serious problems down the road for you with respect to your body, your eyes. So, breaks are important physically, but they're also important mentally. So, that brings me to point number 2, which is that writing breaks can stimulate more writing later. So, it's true. If you keep writing to the point of exhaustion, it will be harder to think clearly. So, our brains need breaks and sleep to function at maximum efficiency. And there's tons of research on that you can find on your own. So, it's not like I just made that up. And you'll be surprised to know that even while you're on a break, be it a walk or a good night's sleep, your brain is actually working in the background. So don't be surprised if after a short writing break, you come back to your writing and have even more ideas of what to write about, or maybe even how to rearrange things. So think about it. When and where do you get your best ideas for your work and your writing? So for me, it happens when I'm taking a long walk or when I'm in the shower. Yep. So when I'm able to relax my mind and body, I'm better able to focus and get new ideas, make new connections, or solve pesky problems related to my academic writing and thinking, maybe somewhere I'm stuck. So writing breaks are wonderful, but there's a third point, which is that writing breaks are best in moderation. So I just said definitely take them, but take them in moderation. So, as noted, writing breaks are important, beneficial. However, if they're too long, their benefits decline. So, for example, after I turned in my tenure packet, I was so burned out from not taking breaks wisely, mind you, that I didn't write for about 1 month. And what I found was that it's extremely difficult to get back into my writing routine and thinking if I take that long of a break. So after that, I no longer took such long writing breaks. So you may need to find your sweet spot for length of time for writing breaks, but for me, it's not more than a week. Otherwise, the costs really outweigh the benefits. So consider the length of the writing break and don't make it too long. And also keep in mind that you can do different kinds of writing. Academic writing can be very technical, sometimes dry. So start a blog, keep up with your writing habit in some way. Maybe you can find a fun way, write a poem, take poetry class. So there's different ways you can continue writing. So if you're wanting even more tips on how to make your writing practice more productive, then definitely check out some of the other videos that YouTube is recommending you watch on my channel. So I will see you there, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.